In the dim light of my attic, I discovered an old typewriter, its keys covered in dust but strangely alluring. The first night it typed on its own, I thought it was a trick of the mind. The story was of a woman who lived in a house by the sea, a life I had never known but felt strangely intimate with. As the nights passed, the stories grew darker, detailing intimate secrets and fears, echoing whispers of my childhood nightmares. I became obsessed, waiting eagerly each night for the typewriter to reveal more. It was as if it knew me, peeling back layers of my subconscious. One night, as the typewriter clattered away, the story described a decision, a path not taken in my own life, but as I read it, I realized it described a path I had forgotten, a choice that led to unimaginable horror. The final line was my name, followed by a date, tomorrow. Frozen with dread, I understood the typewriter wasn't just telling stories.